yenche yo be wo ba tashi ni wo kwe ni afi ni aha nye fen ye kaple o So we are here from the Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection. We are at Azizakwe. We came by boat at Azizakwe. We are coming to pay. This is the first time that this community is receiving the leave cash transfer, and they are receiving 3 installments. So everybody is getting a minimum of 100 or 140 Ghana cedis today. Their cards have not been issued to them. They are not ready. But we have the photo album that will be used to identify them. They have been able to get the national health insurance because they are leave beneficiaries. It's free of charge for them. So a lot of them have their national health insurance cards. And we told them that in the next 2 months will also come. So every 2 months we'll come and pay them their leave benefits. We'll be going to 4 other islands today, and then we'll go to the mainland, Begada, to observe and monitor proceedings. We are grateful to the district chief executive and to our clique member who is a voluntary member who has mobilized and arranged for this, for the assistance, and also to the district social welfare officer for the assistance that they have given. Thank you very much.